The bariatric diet is often associated with weight loss surgery, specifically procedures like gastric bypass, gastric sleeve, and lap band surgery. These surgeries reduce the stomach's size or alter the digestive system, making it essential for patients to follow a structured, nutrient-dense diet to promote healing, prevent complications, and support long-term weight management. However, while the bariatric diet is crucial for post-surgical patients, it is not limited to those who have undergone surgery. This way of eating focuses on high-protein, portion-controlled, and low-carb meals, making it an effective dietary approach for anyone looking to lose weight, manage blood sugar levels, or improve digestion. The core principles of a bariatric-friendly diet include prioritizing lean proteins, chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, to maintain muscle mass and keep you full, limiting processed carbohydrates to prevent blood sugar spikes and cravings, incorporating healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, for sustained energy and satiety, eating small, frequent meals to support digestion and prevent discomfort, avoiding high sugar and high-fat foods that can cause dumping syndrome, a common post-surgery issue. Even for those who haven't had surgery, following a bariatric-friendly meal plan can be beneficial for weight loss, gut health, and reducing inflammation. By emphasizing whole, nutrient-dense foods and mindful eating habits, this approach helps promote steady weight loss, improve digestion, and long-term wellness without extreme restrictions. But it can benefit everyone. It focuses on nutrient-rich foods. This diet is great for people with digestive issues. It can also help people lose weight. It's a healthy way to live. This diet helps people make healthy choices. It focuses on portion control and balanced meals. It's not just about losing weight. It's about improving your overall health. The bariatric diet can be tailored to your needs. It's important to talk to your doctor. They can help you create a plan that's right for you. This diet is a tool for a healthier life. It can help you feel your best. The bariatric diet is all about making smart, intentional food choices that support weight management, digestion, and overall health. It emphasizes nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and protein while avoiding empty calories, excess sugars, and unhealthy fats. One of the key pillars of the bariatric diet is prioritizing lean proteins, which are essential for muscle maintenance, satiety, and metabolism support. Since bariatric patients and those on a weight loss journey eat smaller portions, every bite needs to be rich in protein and nutrients to prevent deficiencies and keep energy levels stable. Why focus on lean proteins? Muscle preservation. After weight loss surgery or during a calorie-restricted diet, the body can lose muscle mass. Protein helps maintain lean muscle tissue, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Satiety and appetite control. Protein-rich foods keep you full longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Tissue repair and healing. Especially for post-surgical patients, protein is vital for healing and cell regeneration. Boosts metabolism. The body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats or carbohydrates, aiding in weight loss and fat burning. Best sources of lean protein for a bariatric diet: skinless poultry, chicken breast, turkey, high in protein and low in fat. Eggs and egg whites, a complete protein source packed with essential amino acids. Fish and seafood, salmon, tuna, shrimp. Rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. Low-fat dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. Great sources of protein with probiotics for gut health. Plant-based proteins, tofu, lentils, beans. Ideal for vegetarians while providing fiber and essential nutrients. Protein shakes and powders. Useful for bariatric patients who struggle to meet protein needs through whole foods. By focusing on lean proteins while minimizing processed foods, high-fat meals, and added sugars, the bariatric diet helps individuals achieve sustainable weight loss, improved digestion, and better overall well-being. Good choices are chicken, fish, and beans. These foods keep you full and provide energy. Healthy fats are important too. Include foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are good for your heart and brain. Choose low-carb, nutrient-dense foods. These include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They are packed with vitamins and minerals. Finally, prioritize anti-inflammatory ingredients. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic are great options. They can help reduce inflammation in the body. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, metabolism, and overall well-being. These bacteria include both beneficial and harmful microbes, and maintaining the right balance between them is essential for optimal health. The good bacteria aid in breaking down food, extracting nutrients, and producing essential vitamins like B12 and K. They also help regulate the immune system, protecting against infections and inflammation. Meanwhile, the bad bacteria, when overgrown due to poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, can contribute to gut inflammation, bloating, acid reflux, and even chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. A well-balanced gut microbiome supports healthy digestion, reduces inflammation, enhances mental clarity, boosts energy levels, and even improves mood by influencing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This is why nourishing your gut with the right foods, such as fiber-rich vegetables, fermented foods, lean proteins, and anti-inflammatory ingredients, is key to achieving long-term health and well-being. These bacteria play a vital role in our health, but when our gut is inflamed, it can lead to problems. Inflammation in the gut can manifest in many ways. Some people experience bloating and gas. Others may have diarrhea or constipation. Chronic inflammation can have serious consequences. It's linked to diseases like heart disease and diabetes. It can also affect our mental health. Taking care of our gut is crucial for overall well-being. By reducing inflammation, we can improve our health. Certain foods can significantly contribute to gut inflammation, disrupting digestion, weakening the gut lining, and leading to issues like bloating, acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and chronic fatigue. When we consistently consume highly processed inflammatory foods, we create an imbalance in the gut microbiome, allowing harmful bacteria to thrive while reducing beneficial bacteria that support digestion and immunity. Top inflammatory foods to avoid. 1. Refined carbohydrates and processed sugars. Foods like white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, and soda cause rapid blood sugar spikes, leading to increased insulin resistance, bloating, and inflammation. Excess sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria and contributes to leaky gut syndrome, where the gut lining becomes more permeable, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering immune responses. 2. Artificial additives and preservatives. Many packaged foods contain chemical additives, artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose, food dyes, and preservatives, which can irritate the gut lining and disrupt the natural balance of gut bacteria. MSG, monosodium glutamate, and high fructose corn syrup are two common culprits known to promote inflammation and digestive discomfort. 3. Fried and highly processed foods. Deep-fried foods, fast food, and heavily processed snacks contain unhealthy trans fats and pro-inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids, which increase oxidative stress in the body and impair gut function. These foods are also low in fiber and nutrients, leading to sluggish digestion and poor gut health. 4. Dairy and gluten for sensitive individuals. Many people struggle to digest lactose, found in milk, cheese, and ice cream, due to a lack of the enzyme lactase, which can lead to bloating, gas, and cramping. Gluten, found in wheat, barley, and rye, can trigger inflammation in individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, leading to digestive distress, joint pain, and skin issues. 5. Excessive red meat and processed meats. Highly processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats contain nitrates and preservatives that may disrupt the gut microbiome and trigger chronic inflammation. Consuming large amounts of red meat can also increase acid production in the stomach, contributing to acid reflux and digestive discomfort. What's the solution? To reduce gut inflammation, focus on whole, unprocessed, anti-inflammatory foods that support digestion and balance the gut microbiome. These include fiber-rich vegetables, leafy greens, carrots, zucchini, to promote healthy digestion, lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, to support muscle maintenance without adding excess fat, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, to reduce inflammation and support gut lining integrity, fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, to introduce beneficial probiotics that improve digestion, herbs and spices, ginger, turmeric, garlic, known for their anti-inflammatory and digestive boosting properties. By eliminating inflammatory foods and incorporating gut-friendly alternatives, you can enhance digestion, boost energy levels, and improve overall gut health while reducing symptoms like bloating, acid reflux, and food sensitivities. It's best to limit these foods. Processed sugars are a major culprit. They feed the bad bacteria in our gut. Artificial additives are another problem. Our bodies often struggle to digest them properly. Excessive dairy can also be inflammatory for some people. Fried foods are hard on our digestive system. They can cause inflammation and discomfort. By making simple swaps, we can reduce inflammation. Choose whole foods over processed options. A week of delicious healing, your 7-day anti-inflammatory meal plan. This meal plan is designed to be both bariatric friendly and anti-inflammatory. It focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. Each day includes 3 meals and a snack. Day 1. For breakfast, enjoy anti-inflammatory scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. For lunch, have a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and avocado. Dinner will be baked salmon with roasted vegetables, and for a snack, a handful of almonds. Day 2. Start your day with Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Lunch will be leftover salmon and roasted vegetables. For dinner, have turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles, and snack on apple slices with almond butter. Day 3. Breakfast is oatmeal with almond milk, berries, and nuts. For lunch, a quinoa salad with grilled vegetables and chickpeas. Dinner is lentil soup with whole grain bread, and a small banana makes for a perfect snack. Day 4. Begin with a smoothie made with almond milk, spinach, berries, and protein powder. Lunch will be leftover lentil soup. For dinner, enjoy chicken stir-fry with brown rice, and for a snack, rice cakes with avocado and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Day 5. Breakfast consists of 2 hard-boiled eggs with a piece of fruit. Lunch is a large salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dinner features sweet potato and black bean burritos, and for a snack, a handful of trail mix. Day 6. Chia seed pudding with berries and nuts for breakfast. Lunch will be leftover sweet potato and black bean burritos. Dinner is baked chicken with roasted vegetables, and snack on carrot sticks with hummus. Day 7. Start with Greek yogurt with fruit and a sprinkle of granola. For lunch, have a salad with tuna or chickpeas. Dinner is vegetable and tofu curry, and for a snack, enjoy some air-popped popcorn. Recipes for success. Simple, flavorful, and gut-friendly. These recipes are easy to make and delicious. They are perfect for the bariatric diet. They are also anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory scrambled eggs, a nutritious start to your day. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of chopped spinach, a 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: whisk the eggs and water together in a bowl. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet. As the eggs begin to set, add the spinach and tomatoes. Cook until the eggs are set and the vegetables are wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Lemon garlic shrimp with quinoa, a light and flavorful meal. Ingredients: 1 pound large shrimp peeled and deveined, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 cup cooked quinoa. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until pink and cooked through. Add the garlic to the skillet and cook for 1 minute or until fragrant. Stir in the lemon juice and parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the shrimp and sauce over cooked quinoa. Resources for your journey. Continuing your path to wellness. This is just the beginning. You can find more recipes and meal plans online. Look for reputable sources. Ready to take control of your health. Get your exclusive bariatric and anti-inflammatory recipe books. Today, delicious, easy-to-follow recipes designed to help you heal your gut, reduce inflammation, and support your weight loss journey, whether you've had bariatric surgery or just want to eat healthier. Step-by-step meal plans to make healthy eating effortless. Tasty, gut-friendly recipes that keep you full and satisfied. Expertly crafted for weight loss and digestive health. Click the link below to grab your copies now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gut-friendly recipes and wellness tips. See you in the next video. Your doctor can also provide guidance. There are also cookbooks available. These books focus on gut health and weight loss. They can provide inspiration for your meals. Making these changes can improve your health. You can achieve your weight loss goals. You can also improve your digestion.